No, we're not in Kansas. Merry Christmas.
So we got a NEST Learning Thermostat for Christmas. This video just kind of walks you through our installation. Well, part of it. I didn't really finish it, but anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys and check it out. Watch, follow along, see what's happening.
Christmas. Merry Christmas. Show you a gift we got today. The NEST Thermostat. I don't remember what generation, but we'll look down here and see. I guess the latest and greatest. The NEST Learning Thermostat in stainless steel. We're going to try to, I don't know, we'll get it out here and hook it up. The NEST hockey puck. I don't know. Looks pretty fancy to me. Looks kind of hard. I better turn this off and then try it out. Let's see. Hopefully it's pretty simple. We'll find out. We got Google Homes buzzing in the background too, so we're going to connect those to this and see what happens. We'll come back. So one thing I did instead of Nest.com said to take these out and label them after I take a picture. Instead, I just cut the wire short, leave them hooked up, restrip them, and I'll hook them up. Seems like a good plan to me. See how it works. And it appears that when the wires are in, the tabs stay down. That seems to be how they're working. So we will take this out. We'll screw that in, put the cover on, and turn the power on and see what happens. So far so good. So I've got it screwed on the wall here. Came with these two screws. Ironically enough, it came with a cool little screwdriver. Where's it at, Isaiah? Check that out. Right? So, ironically enough, marketed well. Nest fits great in the palm of your hand. Also has a bit that comes out and switches over so that you can take the wires out of your old one.
Could you use other bits?
And then put that in. So, we're going to install the cover on this. Here you go, Isaiah. And I think it just snaps on. It's got this pin connector here. We're going to line it up with that and see if it works. Alright, we're going to turn the power on and see what happens. From it. Back away from it. Alright, we have power. Let's see how we set it up now. I forgot to look at the directions. We'll just go and see. Uh-oh, we got something.
I take it in there, big little
Alright, so we got... Maybe just push it. Okay, confirm your choice. Confirm. Internet connection. Connect to the internet. Alright, connect. Netgear. Alright, you can't see this. Alright, We're trying to connect. If you don't want to make the video, I'd probably move. Because there's a good chance I'll turn around and zap you.
Yeah, where's your headphones? Where?
Alright, well, let's try to connect. Well, hold on a minute and see what happens. Ha, I got him. Actually, it just came online, so press to continue. Alright, my location. I'm sure. No, we're not in Kansas. Why does it think we're in Kansas? North America.
South America.
USA.
Hey, Mom, is the TV going off right now?
Alright, we'll get this set up. We'll come back.
So basically, we got it installed. It's up and running. Everything works as it should. Pretty neat little system. We've got the app on our phone, which we can control. We're going to try to hook it up to the Google Home as well, so we can control it with that. If you like what we're doing, like this video, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Let us know what you think if you held around this long.